Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your mobile photography with moment detailed guide step by step clearly. Choosing the right equipment is essential for enhancing your mobile photography. Start by selecting a moment lens that suits your photography style. Moment offers multiple lens options, including wide angle, telephoto, and macro. Consider your subject matter when making your choice. Next, purchase the appropriate moment phone case that is compatible with your device. This case will allow you to attach the lenses securely. Once you have both the lens and case, ensure they are clean and free of dust. Attach the moment lens to your phone case carefully. Align the lens with the designated area on the case for a secure fit. Now, open your camera app to test the lens. If you're using a third-party app, ensure it supports manual settings for optimal control. Experiment with different shooting modes to see how the lens affects your images. Adjust your camera settings like ISO, shutter speed, and focus for better results. Try using natural light to illuminate your subjects for more dynamic photos. Consider the composition of your shots by following the rule of thirds. Take multiple shots to capture the best moment and angles. Edit your photos using apps that enhance quality and detail. Look for applications that offer advanced editing tools to refine your images further. Test the different moment lenses in various settings to understand their strengths. Capture landscapes, portraits, or close-ups to see how each lens performs. Share your images with others to gain feedback and improve your skills. Continue experimenting with different techniques to elevate your mobile photography. Over time, you'll discover your unique style and preferences. Remember that practice is key in mastering mobile photography. Stay patient and enjoy the creative process. Utilize online resources and communities for inspiration and tips. Keep learning and evolving your skills as you progress in your mobile photography journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.